Hi, I'm Arlene with Morrison's Flowers, and today I'm with my granddaughters, Kaya and Alyssa, and we're going to show you a great 4th of July craft that you can do with kids of all ages. So we started with a vintage wood box in a rectangle size. We have a larger one and a smaller one. First, we layered it with a trash bag, and then we soaked the green Oasis blocks so that we had moisture for the flowers, and we put them on top of the trash bag. Then we trimmed it off around the edges to give a clean look. For the larger box, we started with the regular size red and white carnations, and the small box we had the mini red carnations and the white buttons. To get the blue color, we actually use a floral spray paint, and we sprayed it blue.
Sometimes the stems are too weak, so we replace them with toothpicks to make them stronger.
Yeah, that's a great hint. So we finish it off with a few stars, which Kaya made a few. And like I said, you could do this in any way, shape, or form for your party. And here's one last star. So we thank you for joining us today. I hope you have a great 4th of July. I hope this inspires you to make a great centerpiece for your party.